We are at White Center Heights Park, located in the White Center neighborhood, and we are with the Youth Conservation Corps working on a restoration project. Today, the YCC is focused on removing some of the introduced plants that we find in our park. So some of those plants today are blackberry, ivy, and bindweed.
It's important to get rid of these species because we want to make space for our native plants, and also they can be really invasive. They can grow and spread out so quickly. We just want to make sure that we are protecting our local ecosystems and making sure everything is in balance.
Oh, so you see this one? I think
This program came out of a council mandate to create a youth conservation corps housed in parks. And the idea was that it would be a summer internship program to employ youth who are interested in exploring environmental careers.
My name is Mindy Chin, and I'm one of the 2 YCC lead interns this summer. I think it's a really great opportunity that Parks is having right now to have this program and have people, especially minorities and like young people of color, come out to learn about the environment and do work in parks. So I think it's just an amazing opportunity. I feel so lucky.
I am happy that I applied and I was able to get the job. I really love being outside, which I found out when I joined this job, which I didn't know beforehand. And then I also like meeting new people from different places and what their background is and how everyone like comes together and what different people bring to the table.
Here, let me just walk this one back. It's really important that we have pathway programs for young people, especially young people of color, to explore different career trajectories.
do we use this as a rudimentary compost pile, put everything on top of this one?
No, we're going to build new ones.
New one? Okay.
Yeah, probably over in this area here.
I was really interested in doing something involving like the environment and science, so I thought that this was a really great opportunity.
Too often, we don't have opportunities for mentorship for young people to work with elders or adults in a career of their interest and really see what that career looks like and get the chance to see or to ask themselves, is this something I could see myself doing in the future? For parks, it's always great for us to have a youth perspective that we get to hear from and hear what their thoughts are on the work that we're doing. Just be working intergenerationally in our parks, but it's also wonderful to have an opportunity to potentially inspire young people to see themselves working for parks.